Want recruiters to connect you? Pretty simple hack. The hack is go on all the job descriptions on LinkedIn or say Naukri.com. Job description and the designation that you like. Copy the job description. Now, what you need to do is you need to go on word cloud generator, paste that particular description. It will give you the key, the top five keywords. The big ones, the big fonts are the ones which get repeated. Use those keywords in your say summary, in the experience section, and even the content that you create. Within 3 days, those recruiters will come on your profile because they're already using those keywords to search on LinkedIn or on Naukri.com or Monster.com, and your is the only profile which has those keywords. Out of a JD, when a JD is created, there are five keywords, 5 to 6 keywords, which will be present in that category of all the professionals. But there will be four keywords which won't be present in any of this. These are purposely created to sort easily for you. You already don't know those particular keywords, and the best part is the JD has those keywords, so just copy paste. I'll just show you a simple technique over here. If you still haven't understood, let me just show you over here. So you are on the LinkedIn profile, go on the job section, and then for example show all. You'll find number of jobs over here. So digital marketing. So now digital marketing, performance marketing, on and average, everything is the same. Supriya Pujari. Now what you need to do is copy this particular thing. Three of three skills match. Sometimes they will display the list of skills also. Coach me, help me, teach me. It is not displaying the list of skills, but it says, okay, skills added by the job poster, digital marketing, online marketing. So three skills added by the job. So three skills found on your profile match the skills associated with the job. Now there are, I guess, other skills. They have added only three skills and all the three match. They should land up overall. Any which is that is for manager. That's not logic for me. So let me go. So senior brand executive. Even this will. Now this is posted by Hassan Rassiwala. And now there are four skills that match your profile. Okay, six skills are missing. These are the six skills that are missing in my profile. What I need to do is I need to use these four skills plus the six skills, and I need to create a summary. So I need to tell ChatGPT these are the skills that I have, and these are the skills that I have. These are the list of skills that I have, and this is my summary. Now rewrite my entire summary for LinkedIn as a LinkedIn hacker and a copywriter, and rewrite and give it to me. What it will do is it will use those keywords and it will rewrite the entire summary and give you the new summary. Now paraphrase it, rewrite it again because you don't want LinkedIn to detect AI content, and then just publish it to your LinkedIn. Same thing you have to do with your experience section, and same thing you have to do with your content that you create on LinkedIn. Even the comments that you do on LinkedIn, try to have those particular set of keywords. Within 3 days the recruiters will notice you, who are looking out for people for that particular job description, because if for everything will start getting pulled towards your profile. I hope this helped you. And next time, do join my subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about how do I help to get you those interviews. My logic is simple. In 30 days, if you're able to get 15 interviews, then you are able to have 5 job offers in your hand. And if you have 5 job offers, you can negotiate and select any of those job offers. That's it for now. Bye. See you.